Greetings fellow Decepticons, Blaster1987 here with part 2 of my 5-part look at the Robots in Disguise 2001 Autobot Build Team. Last time we covered Heavy Load and now we're moving on to Hightower. So, as you can see here we have the Autobot Build Team in vehicle mode, Wedge, Grimlock, Hightower and Heavy Load. More or less the same size in terms of their rectangular bases, but of course, obviously, different components mean then slightly different shapes in the third dimension. So putting Grimlock, Wedge and Heavy Load off to one side, we'll focus on Hightower for this review. As you can see here, Hightower is a red crane truck of some description, but it's been described by some people as an extensive retool of Heavy Load, but that's not actually the case. We just share engineering because of the way the combination sequence for Part 5 Landfill works. So, for features in this mode, the crane arm moves up and down, the cabin can turn if you raise the peg up a little bit, because these bits here interfere with the rotation a bit. And there's also a couple of stabilizer things that can pop out from the underside of these warning stripes here to sort of, keep the vehicle in place when trying to use the crane. Something Heavy Load doesn't have. So, to transform Hightower, first, remove the crane cockpit, then flip up the feet like so. Extend the legs, and then rotate the shoulders outwards of their ball joints, bring the elbows down and fists forward, like so. Then remove the crane arm from the cabin, and then peg it into this hole at the back here. Then, finally, double hinge the robot head neck stem over here and rotate the head 180 degrees. And here we have Hightower in robot mode. For weapons in this mode, you can extend the crane arm into a giant sniper rifle cannon thing that he can hold in his hand like so. You can also deploy heel spurs from the back here if necessary for extra balance. Split the legs. And also, inside the crane cockpit canopy is a small handheld pistol. Kind of like the one RC had in the Battle Inside Unicron in the '86 movie, don't you think? But regardless, this can go in his other hand. I'll not be showcasing the combined mode transformation in the individual reviews because in order to save time with the length of videos, I'll be making a separate video for Landfill. So, for size comparison. And once again, here we have the complete Autobot Build Team, Wedge, Grimlock, Hightower and Heavy Load in their robot modes, for those who haven't seen the comparison in my Heavy Load review last time. So, putting these guys off to one side. Hightower's articulation is more or less the same as Heavy Load's due to the shared engineering. 360 degree neck swivel, ball jointed shoulders with a bit of an in and out motion there, ball jointed elbows, slight upward wrist movement for transformation, ball jointed hips, and a very stiff 90 degree knee bend. Plus also the toes and heel spurs can move back and forth when needed. So, that just about concludes my, RID Hightower review. Join me next time when I'll be reviewing RID 2001 Grimlock. Until then, till all are one.